a prophecy with a business plan. What if the future of New England soccer wasn't in Boston, but in Brockton, Massachusetts? Imagine this. The Brockton Fairgrounds transformed into something completely new. A modern soccer stadium rises from the heart of the city. 20,000 fans, bright stadium lights, drums echoing through the streets, supporters marching with Cape Verde flags waving in the air. Welcome to Revolution Place, not just a stadium, an entire entertainment district, restaurants, sports bars, hotels, apartments, a live music plaza, youth soccer fields, Cape Verdean food spots, and cultural festivals bringing the city to life year-round, just like Patriot Place changed Foxborough. Revolution Place changes Brockton. On game days, the city comes alive, commuter rail packed with fans, food trucks lined up for blocks, local businesses overflowing with customers, bars and restaurants open late into the night, concerts, festivals, international matches. Brockton becomes the heartbeat of soccer in New England, and the culture. That's what makes it different, because Brockton already lives and breathes the game. Cape Verdean communities, African communities, Caribbean and Latin American families, a city built on immigrants, culture, energy, and passion for soccer. Inside that stadium, the atmosphere becomes legendary, one of the loudest and most authentic soccer environments in America. Economically, everything changes. Hundreds of construction jobs, permanent jobs in hospitality, security, and entertainment. New businesses, new housing, national media attention through MLS broadcasts. For the first time in decades, people stop talking about Brockton for the wrong reasons and start seeing it as a destination city, a sports city, an entertainment city, an investment city. Of course, growth brings challenges: traffic, rising rents, political battles, infrastructure pressure, neighborhood concerns. But the vision? It's bigger than soccer, because Revolution Place wouldn't just change the skyline of Brockton, it could change the identity of the city forever. This wouldn't just become the home of the New England Revolution. It would become part of the soul of New England soccer itself. Robert Kraft built Patriots Place. I'm asking to build Revolution Place, with your team's name on it.
As long as breath in my chest, I give thanks, I do my best.